Your AI video tools are not the problem. Let's make that clear right now. You have access to incredibly powerful technology that can generate visuals in minutes, scripts in minutes, full edits in minutes. Yet, when you hit export, the final product feels flat, lifeless, and indistinguishable from 1,000 other videos online. The tool isn't failing you, your instructions are. The core issue behind generic AI videos is almost always vague input, weak creative direction. You are the director. If you don't give your actor, the AI, a clear script motivation, you can't be surprised when the performance is forgettable. It's time to stop blaming the software and start improving your prompts. Many beginner creators fall into the same trap. You have a good idea, so you type a short, simple phrase into the prompt box. You might write something like, "Make a video about productivity," and then expect the AI to craft a masterpiece. What the AI does instead is play it safe. It pulls from the most common, widely accepted ideas about productivity because you haven't given it any guardrails or unique angles to explore. It produces a video with stock-like visuals, a monotone voiceover, and advice so general it helps no one. This is not a flaw in the AI. It is a direct reflection of the lack of specificity you provided. This cycle of vague input leading to generic output is why your AI-generated content library starts to look and sound the same. In the next sections, we will break down the 3 most common mistakes and show you exactly how to correct them. The most common mistake creators make is using hopelessly vague prompts. A command like, "Make a video about how to save time," is an open invitation for the AI to produce something bland. The AI has no idea who you're trying to help, what kind of time-saving tips to offer, or what the ultimate goal of the video is. Is it for busy parents, college students, corporate executives? Should it be funny, serious, motivational? Without these details, the AI will produce the most generic content imaginable. Ticking clocks, people running, make a to-do list. This is the fast lane to content that gets ignored. To fix this, get specific. Your prompt must be a mini creative brief. Instead of vague, try this. Create a 60-second explainer video for new freelance graphic designers who are feeling overwhelmed. The video should show 3 specific time-saving apps for project management. Tone, friendly. Tone, energetic. Tone, highly encouraging. Goal, 1 concrete action they can take today to feel more in control of their schedule. This after prompt is fundamentally different. It gives the AI a clear target and a defined purpose, which narrows choices productively. Let's analyze why the second prompt works so much better. The before prompt is a topic, not a direction. Audience, new freelance graphic designers. Tangible goal, show 3 specific apps. Style, friendly and energetic. Structure, a 60-second explainer with a concrete action. By adding these constraints, you guide the AI to a specific outcome. Another major reason AI videos feel robotic is the complete absence of a defined audience and style. When you give a prompt like, "Explain video editing tips," you ask for information, not personality. The AI doesn't know if it should sound like a film school professor, or a sarcastic YouTuber, or a helpful friend. Because it lacks stylistic direction, it defaults to the safest option. Dry, neutral, encyclopedic. This creates a disconnect with your viewers. The video lacks the human touch and a specific voice that builds a loyal community. A video without style is just noise. To correct this, your prompt must explicitly define the target audience and the desired stylistic elements. Let's transform that generic prompt. Instead of explain video editing tips, use a concrete prompt. Create a tutorial for YouTube creators who make short-form tech reviews. Explain 3 quick video editing tips for making their videos more dynamic. The style should be sharp, confident, slightly sarcastic. Use quick jump cuts, punchy on-screen text graphics, and short, direct sentences. Visual pacing, fast to match a tech review channel. Now you're not just requesting facts, you're directing a performance. The difference will be dramatic. The first prompt, a lecture. The second prompt, a personality. Specify audience and the AI frames the tips in context. Specify tone and you inject a human voice. Request editing elements and you guide the visual language. Same information, completely different feel depending on presentation. Audience and style turn dry data into compelling content. This is where you infuse your unique brand into AI videos. Your style is your signature. The final mistake that leads to boring AI videos is the failure to provide any instructions on structure or pacing. A prompt like, "Show a tutorial on color grading," leaves the entire flow up to the AI. The result is a long, meandering video. No clear beginning, no clear middle, no clear end. It might start with a weak opening, spend too much time on one step, end abruptly without a summary and no call to action. This lack of structure makes the video hard to follow and causes viewers to click away. Without a defined pace, even valuable info feels slow. A well-structured video guides the viewer on a clear journey. To fix it, outline the structure in the prompt. Instead of a generic request, use this time prompt. Create a 90-second tutorial on basic color grading. Start with a 5-second hook showing a dramatic before and after clip. Break the tutorial into 3 20-second steps. Include a quick 15-second montage of other examples. End with a 10-second recap of the 3 steps and a clear call to action to subscribe. This gives the AI a scene-by-scene storyboard to follow. Structural detail makes a video feel professional. The hook grabs attention immediately. Clear steps make the information easy to digest. Fast pacing keeps energy high and prevents dragging. The call to action gives the viewer a next step. You've essentially pre-edited the video in your prompt. You tell the AI what to say, how to organize, and how long to spend. Control over flow and timing keeps attention in a crowded space. Think of every video as a short story. Engaging opening, concise body, satisfying conclusion. The lesson is simple. The quality of your AI video output is a direct mirror of the quality of your input. Vague, lazy prompts will always produce generic, forgettable videos. The power to create standout content has been in your hands the entire time. It's not about finding a better AI tool, it's about becoming a better creative director. By fixing the 3 most common mistakes, which are vague ideas, a lack of style, no structure, you can immediately elevate the videos you produce. You must move from being a passive user to an active director, giving the AI the detailed instructions it needs to bring your unique vision to life. To make this process foolproof, adopt a simple 4-part prompt framework for every video you create. First, define who this video is for. Be specific about your target audience. Second, clarify what the video should achieve. State the single clear goal. Third, describe the style. Detail the tone of voice, the visual energy, and editing techniques. Fourth, outline the scenes and pacing. Create a simple timed-out structure, hook, main points, conclusion. Using this who, what, style, and scenes framework will force you to think through your concept fully before you ever press the generate button. This deliberate and structured approach unlocks the true potential of AI video generation. It transforms the tool from a random content generator into a powerful creative partner. When you provide clear constraints, you are not limiting the AI's creativity, you are focusing it. This focus allows the AI to produce content that is tailored, relevant, and infused with a distinct personality, your personality. The side-by-side comparisons say it all. A generic prompt leads to a generic video, while a detailed, structured prompt leads to a better, more effective video every single time. Stop settling for the default. Your videos don't have to look like everyone else's. With a small shift in your workflow, you can start producing AI-generated content that feels original and provides real value to your audience. The next step is to put this into practice. To help you get started immediately, I've put together a free prompt pack with battle-tested templates you can use right now. These prompts are built on the exact framework we've discussed today. Use them as a starting point. Copy them, tweak them for your own niche. Use them to command your AI tool with confidence. Download the free prompt pack and stop making generic AI videos today.